So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover this amazing lab. So simply click on start lab and right click, open the cloud console incognito window. Now here you may get this kind of pop-up. It's automatically gets signed in. So the first thing we have to do is activation of the cloud shell like this, and simply click on continue and then authorize yourself. Now if you're new to this channel, do check the description box for other pre-assessment skill badges and do explore the channel for other challenges too. Now here in the description box of this video I've shared this repository. You have to come over here and select it like this and just paste over here and hit enter. Now first thing we have to export the region. For region use Control F and just type region like this, and here you can see number 2. Here is the region, copy it carefully, and for the zone also here just next to it paste it, hit enter. Now wait for this command to get executed. It will take some time and we'll cover all these things step by step. Now here once you see like this, you have to just type Y, hit enter again, hit enter again. Now come back again to the lab instruction, and once you check the score, if you are able to get the score you can simply end the lab. And if you are not getting the score, do one thing, just keep the lab running. So as I have got the score, I'm just ending the lab, and do like the video and subscribe the channel